Hey, today I'm going to show you how to assemble the two-piece box, right? It's going to be very simple. This is how you're going to receive. This side is going to be pre-pasted, okay? And now let me show you how to assemble it. This is a top piece because it has a thumb die cut, and this is a bottom piece. Now, first of all, you need to fold all creases like this, okay, from all sides, like this and like this. Afterwards, you just need to peel off the tape from the sides. We put two adhesive tapes, just give a more stronger feel, okay? So it won't be easily gonna peel off. Anyways, so you just need to fold these parts simply like this. See, okay, and it's going to be give you a rigid feel actually. So I think it's going to be good for you. You can see it looks very good. Now this is the second top piece, so I'm gonna just peel off the tapes again. Okay, I already actually folded up, so it's going. That's why it's very easy to just assemble it. You just need to fold yourself as well. Okay, and then again you can simply fold like this. Okay. So your box is ready to go, and this is how it's going to look like. It can be made on different sizes, right? It can be made on different what do you call stocks. We can print it as much as possible, because we can print inside, we can print outside, we can do add-ons, foil, hot stamp, anything can be done. Okay, so I think I'm putting the right size right away. Yeah. So this is how you can assemble it. See, this is your box. Thank you very much.